WDR aktuell mit Tobias Häusler.
Es gab mehrere tödliche Explosionen in Brüssel. Die Staatsanwaltschaft geht von Terroranschlägen aus. Liebe Zuschauer, herzlich willkommen zu WDR aktuell heute an diesem Dienstag. Fassen wir die Ereignisse des Tages noch einmal zusammen und zeigen Ihnen dann auch die Reaktionen aus Nordrhein-Westfalen und natürlich auch aus ganz Europa. Es war gegen 8 Uhr heute Morgen.
Attention please. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. It's been officially confirmed. The now found universe, which people refer to as the backrooms, is traveling people at incredible speeds. Please keep windows closed and protect your family and friends. If you have been affected by this, please seek medical help. Access to the outside world has been prohibited. Until 2024, you must stay at home. Researchers are still trying to find the cause. If you are watching anything about this universe, please immediately shut it off. If you want to learn more about this, please head to your nation's website to check. If you are feeling lightheaded and about to pass into the floor, immediately seek medical help. It is most likely that you are going to be teleported there. There are no escapers, so please don't take it easy. Every country is affected. This is a pre-recorded emergency message from the United Government.